Well, go on, my friend them. How you guys doing today? So in today's video, I had a long day. So this is just something quick and easy. Now you can use regular chicken breast, cut it up and do all of these steps. But I just grabbed me this bag of diced up chicken, and this is what we made. So I have one bag of the diced up chicken. I have some shredded carrots. I have some mushroom. You can use whatever mushroom you want. I used what's the one? The one that's out with a P. I forgot the name. And then I had some of the sweet pepper. You could use the regular bell pepper. I just had some mini sweet peppers, and that's what it was. For my seasonings, I have all-purpose seasoning. I have the no salt Tony seasoning. I have Mesquite seasoning and chicken seasoning. And also you're gonna need some soy sauce and some Hoisin sauce. And that was it. I put it in the pot, let that chicken go, get it some color on it. I add in my seasoning after I cook it for about 10 minutes. And I cooked the chicken for about 10 minutes. Then I went on and seasoned it up. And you guys, this was quick, easy, and simple. And it came out really good. My family enjoyed it. I enjoyed it so much. I just paired it with some rice. You could do quinoa, cauliflower rice. You could put some cheese on it, make it a sub sandwich. You could fix this anyhow you want. I wouldn't put the hoisin sauce and the soy sauce if you're gonna do sub sandwiches. But hey, do you whatever works for you. So you could do this different ways. This was just a quick and simple, easy meal that you don't have to worry yourself too much, and your family will love it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. As always, I appreciate every single one of you that watched the video, and I'm so grateful and thankful to all of you. Now, you guys, one thing, can you guys please help a sister out by watching the whole video in its entirety? It helps with the algorithm. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you guys again, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.